few days ago, we heard a loud bang and we didn't know what it was, and we could hear it from our house. And we didn't figure out what was the bang. We looked at around in the garage as well, but couldn't figure out. So the next day we were trying to open the garage door, and it would go open it halfway and then stop. And we couldn't figure out what was the problem. We looked at the sensors here, nothing was blocking it. We looked at the wiring of the garage door opener, nothing seemed to be off. And then I noticed that one of the torsion springs broke. So if you look at that, is what happened is one of those torsion springs, and here for this 2-car garage doors I have 2 torsion springs, which is good to have 2 instead of 1, because if one breaks it will not slam the door down on someone, which may be very dangerous. If one of the torsion springs are broken in your garage door, and if you have one still working, your garage door opener can't lift the weight and it will stop. After a certain point it will see that it's too heavy to lift it. So what you can do is, I have the clicker here, and I'll push the clicker and then help it to lift it up. So here I click it, and when it comes up I'm going to help it. If you move it up, the other spring will help to move it up. So once it's up in the rails, it should stay up and you can take your cars out. So till you can replace your springs, you can give it a hand